have fun. Deep in the jungle, beneath the bright sun, the animals gather for yoga and fun. Monkeys and monkeys stand on one leg with glee. In tree pose, I sway like a tree. An elephant stands big and strong. Mountain pose, I can't go wrong. Bare knees, cozy and tight. In child's pose, I rest just right. Owl sits so calm and wise. Lotus pose, I close my eyes. Giraffe stretches legs so tall. Yoga keeps me balanced for all. Lion roars with a mighty cheer. Lion's breath makes stress disappear. Snake slithers, chest held tall. Cobra pose, no fear at all. Turtle steps with strength and might. Warrior pose, I stand upright. Parrot flaps and takes a swing. In flying pose, I stretch my wing. Dog stretches, tail up high. In downward dog, I touch the sky. Cautious, soft stretch like me, feel the flow. Breathe in deep, stretch and play. Jungle yoga makes a happy day.